Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking basics. Make sure the host has virtualization enabled and at least 8 GB RAM because performance depends on it. Next, download a compatible Mac OS image and install VMware Workstation or Fusion. These are required. Once done, create a new virtual machine. Select Apple Mac OS as the guest, assign CPU cores, and set 8 plus GB RAM plus 50 plus GB disk. This avoids sluggish behavior. Make sure to mount the Mac OS image to the VM before powering on. You will now run the Mac OS installer inside the VM. When you boot, use Disk Utility to format the virtual disk to apps and then install Mac OS. After installation completes, install VMware tools to enable clipboard sharing, better graphics, and smooth mouse capture. This step fixes most input and resolution issues. Then, make sure VM settings include 3D acceleration, at least 2 CPU cores, and increase RAM to 1 GB for UI responsiveness. Finally, configure shared folders if you need file exchange. You finish by updating Mac OS and then rebooting the VM. Updating ensures drivers and security are current. If you encounter a black screen, kernel panic, or boot loop, first verify virtualization is enabled in BIOS and that the VMware unlocker or patch matches your VMware version. Mismatches cause failures. Make sure to take a VM snapshot before any major change, because snapshots let you revert quickly. If network or display misbehaves, reinstall VMware tools and reapply the recommended VM settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.